The bamboo copter is a toy helicopter rotor that flies up when its shaft is rapidly spun. With iCopter, you can design any bamboo copter you want. To get started, simply open the iCopter and click Start. For first-time users, please select Download. There are two types of bamboo copters: Classic and Twisty. You can set the parameters and change the number of blades. With this button you can decide whether you want to add the frame or not. The bamboo copter will change accordingly in the preview area. Let's talk about Classic first. You can change the angle of rotation, the diameter of the shaft and the length of the blade, also known as the radius of the frame. Make sure the number is within the range. Change the number of blades. When you're done, click Tick to go to the design interface. Here you can add decoration elements or add text to customize your design. Select the elements you like and drag them to the bamboo copter. If you want to change the color, just choose the one you like. You can rotate, zoom in or out the model to check details. Click Initial to straighten the model. You can also use these buttons to customize the elements. Click Delete to remove the elements you don't want. When you're done, click Tick to see the finished model. At the bottom you'll find 5 action buttons. Let's talk about Twisty. The only difference in setting the parameters is that you can change the screw pitch. The rest of the design process is the same as in Classic. When you're done, click the Print button to print your design. Get creative and design your own unique bamboo copter today.